sorry, we have to take cover. Let's go here. Hello? Yeah. The military have stepped in, they are firing shots, you can hear in the background. So currently we are taking cover on a building. Not totally safe. We need...
So long as this continues, we should expect more. We should expect more. And our youth...
You should expect more of what?
Our youth are not going to back up because we are preparing. You understand? We are fighting for justice. Then you are adding more injuries to the insult. Look at what they did. Look at what you just...
Transformer.
Look at the transformer. Do they want peace? We are fighting for our own. And they are doing this to us. Is this the justice that we are fighting for?
I wouldn't know.
So, this is it. If that is what they want, we will continue. And we are not backing up.
Adia police penyini ye no wanya ade police eduro police commander wanya ade enye ne panti na woti kuroma ha ne bottom ti ena wodi ti kuroma ha we politician se anka wanya politician obi na ni abiri enu an se bapata no wanti ase kura obati ase because nipa na omuku no omaku na wie to na de tin soldiers forever bullet pa say nipa mensa bakuni de nipa 4 bakuni de yemfo de say ni de no enye bibia ni de no ekitwa omo ye 5 no bakuni de wawu munkwhwa ni moja awodo yesi rubber bullet na omutu ba ye kira mu ade yi e rubber bullet mami e rubber bullet yesu youth no enya ade a ye be accept kura ye ti asie miti ye ti asie wow daga bullet miti ye ti asie ade a ye be no ye be ye ba kusa e watirimu asam no ani
Confirm the 2 dead.
Yeah, we've confirmed already. One was brought in dead. The other one died within 10 minutes after arrival, after active resuscitation. Because where the bullet hit was so much, hit the chest directly. And there is bleeding into the chest. That is hemothorax.
Are they injured? Can you tell us about the injuries?
Yeah, the injuries were so he had a femur fracture, multiple femur fracture. What I mean, a femur, that the thigh. The right thigh got fractured, in addition to even the lower tibia and fibula, that the right legs, they all got fractured. You can see a lot of swelling there. That is a lot of hematoma collection, losing a lot of blood, sweating profusely. You're also entering into shock. But we are actively managing. With blood transfusion, we hope it should be, stable.
That only means you can use to disperse them. What are the water cannons doing that we use our taxpayers' money to buy? What are they doing? We have, as professional policemen and military men, we have been trained to handle riots and how to control riots. From my information, I'm not in the job, but from my information, they were only burning lorry ties and nobody harmed anybody.
They say that youth actually charged on them. The police say the youth charged on them.
this is only an afterthought, and they are only trying to me, they acted unprofessionally, and they must accept that. The information I have is that the soldiers deliberately, I have a picture here of a soldier firing into the crowd. He deliberately, if you are going to fire to disperse the crowd, you will fire into the air. Look at the soldier. Look at his position. I want your camera to capture it very well. Look at his position. He just squatted. He squatted and aimed into the crowd and fired not only one bullet. He fired several rounds of ammunition. That is how come 2 people died and about 4 people are lying in the hospital right now.
Be taken by the security operatives. And let me remind you, Article 202 says that the IGP is in charge of operational matters. It's not for me, the minister, to decide it. It's for them to decide it. But we are telling the police, you decide it due regard to the fundamental human rights of the people, and if you ever pick them, don't refuse them bail as a policy. Don't keep them beyond 48 hours without going to court. And everybody is presumed innocent until this. So we are interested in whoever they said is fixed, because that name that I've heard, that's the first time I heard it. And they say it's fixed. Don't also let us allow criminals to get away, because while we are supposed to be pursuing them, we are engaging in this argument about this. Whoever it is who attacked that person, it was a criminal act. We condemn it. Government does not support illegal criminal acts at all. What am I doing about it? I'm making sure that the police follow up. That's why I told you that the first thing I got, I sent to the police and said what? And the police said, look, I've seen your thing. Where is it? Where is the hospital? I said, go ahead and find it out. We are interested, and I'm condemning. I don't know his state. He's passed on?
Yeah, he's passed on. He's dead.
Look, I want to actually extend my condolences to the families and to ask all those who have information about what exactly to come forward. And I'm assuring you, the government is not out to protect any criminal.
Well, Yasa by the Munamasi, Utiawe, Ash, wish. You are not on the council because why is a coffee control near court. And St. Andrew's College for the Master of Question, because I want to say, assistance in a Hongtamin ginseng and a CD capsules, the CD ointment, here, the Master of Question. Make us a sample at assistance and make us a chief binding, so at Sam Aquaba, Chief Aquaba. Yeah, okay. Now, Minna Jackalumi, anyone ever boy, Chidombra, yeah, extreme worship or apostolic empowerment. Make us a set combating as we next guest this month of July, and just be part of it. Yeah, apostolic empowerment addition. Now, I'm in fact, was a quick one. Alex Ibuam, Onyami Adman, Ochewi Babeta, which Ibrakopo, Mame Krabia, Totroso, Alex Ibuam Construction, Chief Executive, Kwame Buampo, Alex Yako, Mashedin, Inti Ubehuyanim, Eva Bochidom, Sanson, a former DC era die, also a Cassia Doni Mimin that we are, our Kenya say, Yabeba, na Yabba Bochidom. Until era I die also and the prayer marching about shedding. For this year, also Yacham, Nanum from young foot through to Totroso, Kenya say 1 and 2, Bechem Nidia and Contane, Kukum, Sankore, Munina Yacham. Straight to the point, you can't say some point. What is happening? What's happening? Juran says, what's happening?
What's happening? Manchia, woman Shayena, you know, I see. Woman Payena, I made dinner so. Amayena. Okaka, where you me. You know, this weekend, just a much chairman Kakra Crow.
Alex
Bamdiano. Only said Gabin so Papa Diano.
Oh, yes, this weekend.
Yes. And I'm the secretary, Gifty, and also Papa will draw.
Wow. So Gabi Gifty, Alex Ibuam.
Until you say no. And a extreme end so in total so dra and a kofo gaji did me pay what is happening and he say minim say enra president ekutwa humano Emma Toyota for Edward plant kese
made in car Ghana no
they abeka VW ho they abeka
Ghana
made in Ghana car me that's
they beka kantanka ne sino trucks na sefon ho yeah very good say at least no kakra no yetu anamo bi a ebema mabunu ne mrante e wo ma pe bibia ye no omso benya bibi aye na sikanso aba oman no unfortunately no and some we akoba e ma kata and some power say nyina eso amanyene edikan the ohwere ne nkwa first no the explanations they murky kakra but ebusia ye bomo yakọ nipa mienu na omo so enura wamni security agencies in nsam no omo so hwere omo nkwa no we are yet to ascertain say omo etuobe ne kun omo and all that no ebusia nso ye ma omo yakọ medical ma stress yema abutoye emra yema asundwie emra na yenka hunu se ye wo kwan se ye be express ye ho wo ye ma bia mu nanso ye yen bibia nso no a ye mfa no kwan no so enenye obi afrimu lots of accusations na mi blame media ni bi so ka ho if you say obi best start can say obi ye fix the country activist me minister says akwa free bibi social media activist enye nura committee sa brofo no phrase ni bi grada social media activist say okotwa picture no evidence whatsoever na obi asom na oranti ni amano kwan na okansem ensem na wo kan na political no there be am papa kan se bi che o ti se boni ba ni patrima na ni nyansan firim nti all yes ade no official person score cheap political points won hunu se oka e da hyabufo e ma hu susanso e ne no esiye no e ne yesu mu bi e wo media no mu yesuso so ma wo mu 2 enema course no prosi for so mu be yehwehwemu now it was a joint military police action meboa enti military no so no enyo omuhwehwemu yenhunu wo mu free mu no eyetuo omde call ehoni bi ne kun wo ma na nipa bon fo bi ne be fremu no ye de hye wo mu ana ebiom asema ye ka no enne blame ni nyina akoye nkrofo mienu na wo mu hwere wo mu nkwa no omahene mahunu video bi a eno so social media police route control track no the a spray is you know water cannon track no crofoding continue ne na se for de chire na driver no etu car ni dwane ye so wo hwe pictures no ni videos amu yiye no a clearly no you saw say crofobin so a charge eba ni nyina ye kan ni mra kwa mu no ana asemasi ye de ama prosifo mebo a wo muso amu ye hwehwemu efata sese abufuo no ekọ to that level ana yes wo ma say MPP ni grofobi so niema cars bi o ma bobo mo hwehwe eden o ma ko bubu no and all that na efata na ye yisa nkomoni nyina afrimu and we are centered on one aspect si edin komoni ni anka ni nyina amom ni ehu babia di babia puma ebesie na sese onani fa na yo ya na akofa no puma no afa no puma so usisi na yo ya na afa no puma no afa no puma asem no ye be cancer no especially politics e dia bamu na metie MP no mebo a edre MP no ndi MP no the state just say enkochi MCE no na onim ho bi wo cancer nsem wo ya you are instigating people meanwhile no wo MP no Wouldn't evidence. Nothing. Obia your fro honorable. Obia wouldn't say, wo chrono, you're talking about man who winning with some thousands of votes. It is a mystery but traffic so Namkasa won I was shall say no instigating Crawford and say, well, Munkoya Basa no, there's some Nabeka. A bad is near the politics, near the assembly. Police force or my family. There are some videos you say around that. When some your tenants, our Branton no Mukuno, no. A Branton we and yet think at some Kuno. I'm saying that Babono Kuko for nothing. Ni fear almost so suggest to say a Branton in near B and now almost or no near nobody even as for. And well, yes, I did. The video is there circulating now. It's a young say, Obia better to say, Obia better to say, Obia better to say. Not there your politics. Now Crawford don't see a freedom fighters. Need the Wamukika canoa. A say as some no. Yen Yanu Krana a woman. If a mesono would be giddy, say one more so motif honey be, and narrative now one must say what Makoka actually process for the report. I believe, sir, production to move between Momo, afraid a drug police, never say, San Crawford and San almost so. Every day no abontia one more case. Asem say ni si anadwo say no msu say dipa say na ye no wi mo so mo church na se edina refie na ba ko so no na edina kam etina moto so edina call Odra government hospital ho no wo mo nsa kan report na ye nukura na wo mo included that pin wo mo so mo keka aka no wo mo nyai because it got further to inflame passion a sebufo no more. The daughter who be a any ho, a cotton crofoso, a man crofoko yenema emfata.
Okay, so the crack say.
The crack say, as someone see no, and yenny paba kunenya. Eddie kind, and Shishemu kama, a yanu cretudo no, emra. A tossibium, one who no, the banner no prayer. So woman kuma brantiano, take security for no a SSS, that's it for. And also no yen family no enka. Now the mere Sasu are very important. All the players, including this MP no wajejina mu say obi na akum no. A oni evidence no. And no one say from the fighters are or say obi fix the country. Hey then anyone here fix the country ni. The boy I know the boy. The young man. I know him. I work with him. Minister me party, but yes, possible you see no pursue them on social media. But that doesn't make you fix the country activist.
Okay, so my man that's the chief Brian.
No, my that I said when he pass and can be a we are. Because baby for be differ. Any politics on the year, any minimum the one more becky can. A year na a year as a fufro. It is young I am 5 young crow, young who say as some are sensitive. Yeah, the president for me act, so the friend to me act here. So you say we are embodying people say, just there be an inquiry because assembly bar, there be an ibe process and soldier force. And also say, soldier for the process for assembly and you show me and can be trauma. I'm saying yesterday be a bit quiet. If because the first time
also on this matter, so thank you. Chief.
Kobra that's it. Mami chia I wanna Makunta Sampai. Na membo abado Jumasuma wana mpanyinfo wodi ma omanga.
Yeah, that's it.
Kobra quick one, Eka Apostolic na my Administrator General TK.
Yes. TK in the birthday. Wow. Yes. TK. Happy birthday.
Na kumada dibi on yema.
Wow.
Na there is a Mami Bia also na Oye former minister, Sampai in the party MPP. Honorable Tangumba, I think he was up.
Oh no, 50-something years ago.
57. In fact,
hey,
very nice person.
Very
nice person. You know.
They didn't hear them because they be more social media, but me who bother. Tangumba. Okay.
And the one former upper East minister.
Tangumba.
Yankupon Kano. Hey, Kwabna. Quickly before I'm about Sampai, where is issues? I don't know. I think there is something going on. I want you and Adom TV to try as much as possible Wobobwa, because the man Amona Wubutun is not only to talk about what is happening, but at the end of the day, no, we are pepper.
Yeah.
Now I emphasize that man Omangana. I think that is a key media for no. Once we are obwa here na yewo maim. It has to do with the Kumfi Juice factory.
What is happening?
As we speak, factory no was shut down on Yejuma. I've seen a video Kojo Nyako, one rep for Central Region. Why ye other two out open the watch the one shut it down. But you see, even if you use a computer, now if they turn and off next switch now, where the other bomb or in there shut down. And then when you shut down tomorrow, you come and you turn it on and no Juma. It is not about coming quickly to defend what is shut down, what is because shut down everybody understand.
Yeah, true.
Multimedia and the what to Nasa was over now. What shut down you open tomorrow. The most important thing in there, they have a challenge with one pineapple now what the Yejuman. And I think that one of the things yet discussing will Ghana Hapa more cherry pa or a Kumfi Juice factory before the commissioning. Only there, the MPP claimed that they had delayed because they wanted to make sure that there were enough pineapple. Today, as we're speaking, if the factory is not working because they are not having enough, it is sad. And I'm thinking in the modern Ghana way, investing so much in such a project, the irrigation, there are a lot of means that we fado. Now, say one crown or one suma. Okay, so we'll check. We'll check. Just like you said, the information from your reporter was that it's not been totally shut down. The shortage of pineapple in Tino, causes a temporary break. Into demand also ecosro. So they are really looking at ways and means to come back. But bottom line is that it's a temporary closure. They'll come back to work. You see, I don't want to go into it for it to sound political.
No, the shutdown is complete. But for a reason.
I don't know. He's an English teacher. Temporary closure, shutdown, whatever, there is a closure. The reason in there, we need enough pineapple, which we have discussed this, and then they've told us, I mean, no man called the war, no called. We were not hoping then, can there be a year. If you watch that video, people have even paid more for supply.
The demand is really high.
Exactly.
So the inconvenience for me, I will supply as well.
Exactly.
So there's a shutdown.
There's a shutdown, and then it inconvenience people. When are we people who are working there? And that is what we should look at. I think politics.
So it should not reoccur again.
Politics now, and it shouldn't just be like we want to just talk and blame game or something or defend issues. But at the end of the day, baby. Now let me.
But we say, as we are working, Yakumapa and Odeka. Say,
Oyakumafi. Tono choke. Because some of back you see, NDC Amanyuku as a national officer, Mamin Gina, the leader of the party, or chairman of Uswampofu, and General Asidun Ketia.
You've issued a statement to that effect.
Yes, and on here, past flag bearer, Yanini Koto. Kejina also ordinary atum on the issue eco social media and as you get it to read it. My bushani yako na your best repa de mesima o man paying that na party painful what the one no atum the adwebra omrano ya ma adwebra waba na ya hwene ediye atuye you see Babna, you know, these issues, when we are discussing them, quickly, you know.
Okay, so quick one, just to support what you're saying. The National Democratic Congress has learned with great sadness and shock news from Nigeria, the Ashanti region, the killing and the causing of serious injuries to citizens who were protesting the murder of another citizen of the town yesterday. Already, there are reports of at least 3 persons dead and 6 hospitalized having sustained serious injuries. In view of the fluid security situation in Nigeria, the National Chairman, Honorable Samuel Ofosu-Ampofo, and the General Secretary, Johnson Esiru Nketia, who are currently participating in a workshop at Adan, organized by the National Peace Council with sponsorship by the UNDP and the Commonwealth Secretariat, have left Adan and are proceeding back to Accra to take charge of developments. In the interim, the NDC appeals for calm in Nigeria and call on the security agencies to be measured in the way and manner in which they handle citizens who are exercising their constitutionally guaranteed right to demonstrate to protect the lives of innocent citizens. And it's been issued, I don't know, Dakakri Samoa, Director of Communications, all the way up to that. So as of a year, the time they were writing, 3 persons dead and 6 hospitalized.
3 people are dead.
Allow
me to make
no,
I want clarity. You are coming from Ashanti region. You are coming for clarity. Listen to the report in the news and listen to the doctor.
No, the 3 is the first guy,
no plus 2.
And as a result of the, they are all
as a result of the routing.
I don't know all
the other guy that
no, they are saying the NDC
what is this problem?
With this release. They are saying no.
What's in my
What is your problem? No.
Kwabena, you see, you have to control. You have to control the problem because you see, because
no. But don't forget that the NDC is the biggest, largest opposition party the country has now. You cannot do without them.
So they are coming to Accra to take charge of what?
They are coming for property.
To take when the MP is sitting there, instigating people to. No.
No. When
the MP is sitting there, instigating the people to do that.
But you don't know the steps that they are taking.
Apart from saying Mukacha to Munya more, I think on the ground in a certain region, I don't know what's going on. Such cheap population that the said as a program.
That's not the matter we are discussing here. Chief Yankoso.
No, sometimes I don't know who you think he is.
I'm Sampaio, I'm nobody.
And so respect others.
But have I shown this?
But we are having a program and you are talking as if I mean, why? You have said a lot of things here. Today you are here telling us that in one sebi onipa wenya ni baby ko in one we win and some na work can was it to go or a cheap politics na way.
Is that what I said?
Oh yes.
Is that what I said?
I wrote it here.
No.
But be a team now on
Debbie, he didn't infer that.
Did I say so?
No.
What did he say?
Make more comments, you know, and then
he was talking about the commentary around.
I'm not talking about what has happened.
Allow me to talk.
No, but he never said that.
He said that the guy is his party person.
Yes, he's his party
person. The guy took a phone now, Orucha projector, or a friend in the area where I did to go. Them project no chan onion no qual. Now what penny why?
Did I say so?
He said it.
No, Chief.
Oh, Master,
No, Chief.
Is that what I said?
No.
Is that what I said?
Listen to me.
Mr.
What is no?
Wankasa.
Did he say that you panu cha photo to one thing wukuna? Did he say it?
But no,
did he? Oh, ubisame.
No, because I'm surprised I'm sitting here.
Miss the you panos will not so here then we and Sanat route in the band. What did Sampaio say? Since you are telling me that one can tell me.
So what did you write down? That he said that.
Then keep quiet, respectfully, and let me see what I wrote down.
No,
keep quiet, respectfully. Sampaio, our compia or the shahoba, but I tolerate it.
Ignore.
Please, Kwabena, I will bring it on you if you don't allow me to.
No, ignore and go on.
If you don't allow me, I'll bring it on you.
No, ignore and go on.
I said if you don't allow me, I will bring it on you.
But there's a conversation here.
Can you allow me to make my point?
Okay, so make your point.
What is this gagging for?
So make your point.
I have written here, Nipa no kasa na macho. Nipa no kasa na macho.
Okay.
And he is telling me don't kafanti Nkaka Jamaica. Nkaka Jamaica,
we will lose the track.
Let's have a
conversation.
He is telling us, and our viewers, Nipa na uchan for you know. Na odi tu guano. Onam that when them chrome horn no uchan for you know what happened. Ono da babo tu guano. Onu no akwa for the mass aba. Again,
that what I said?
Oh, please. In fact, that is what has caused this problem. And so why are you running away from it?
Okay,
that is what he did. And you are telling me here that the men that may have cheap politics. It's not trying. Nipo why cheap politics will we assume according to some kind of logic on President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo normal yet today. Kaswa interchange na wo you over bloated.
Look at that.
Invoice me. Please.
No, you can't go for that.
Charlie, Sampa, behave yourself. Sampa, behave yourself. I mean, behave yourself. Now you are not. Stop it. Mrs. Stop it. You going to tell somebody, Monka? Stop it. What? Stop it. Stop it. My friend, stop it.
What do you mean?
What do you mean? President Abba today in this country, you people don't want anybody to talk. Yet you claim how my president Otum Kade project Hawaii or you over invoiced. President Otum Kade reach project Hawaii or you over invoiced. You can't want some. President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Today he's the president of the republic. Your own party person. Now you put the video no a live video, and he's going around and telling everybody what is happening, and you have a problem with that. And you don't want me to talk about it. And you don't want me to talk about it.
Because he has not sat here to say what you are saying that he said. That's the problem.
What did he say?
He has not accused the guy that...
I'm saying, what did he say?
Oh, no,
but I'm surprised. If you are not listening, it doesn't mean he didn't say it. And you can't tell me that word to word, my account. And what did he say? I want to address that.
What kind of fancy at me? And Kofu say, Obi fix the country person. Now, boy, now what tagged with that? I know he's my party boy. Meaning them in the election time. Meaning there offer phone. Okocha them in Zeman. But that doesn't make him that he's a member of that fixed day country. So those who are ranting and talking about it, using that thing, what statistical sense you're instigating people on politics and becomes cheap politicking. That's what I said.
Good, Kwabena.
So now what tells him I said not President
no.
One control now. Another movie in Beijing. Everyone that my head and more good for. Because more maintenance. Everyone they come no he has said it there. And when I want to for you, what's a fix the country for? Nadam, no man, what you know about cheap politics. Fix the country for no. Abayin when question one. When they started fix the country, government will share government will may and Jan tumne what you tumne and the more or they were fixing. In the guy na we will not done a deep fame who they fix the country no NDC for, no a Ghana for. What's on a guy we will know MP or MPP. Say some pine how you there. Guy and will be better to fix the country. Fix the country for no Ebadina will call on abandon ye.
After speaking fancy, you are still misrepresenting what I said.
I can give you the whole deal. You will still fall inside.
Chief, what for no
man can
one for no money is here because the money. The for no money.
Maybe Sunday.
I'm money. The for no money.
Fix the country for no. Ebadina was it to go my in I had.
Short for some money.
You pana we Ebadina no ye.
Because
of that he died. That is what I'm.
You say you are coming from Ashanti. Municipal chief executive was a one or one that one you said. Ojitum, the guy in now one alleged issue now, but now why you crofa only one what bad no party Juma on you call you over. That's what I'm gonna say. Guy now we will not cover the man semi bain. Eba asam no be mo go police station. Eba do no be no ma guy nkada. See obi ewu a necessary your party nya. The least you can do crying there in kasa bi se bibo won na ebusuafo mobo. The least you can do. Party ne didi ye mu so much the extent that yet na here ye kase se bi kwabna asem bi koto bia no nam da me party e na yinti ejina opposition na aka me pe na eko.
The mayor.
Adam Mitri Sampine, and you see, you people, MPP, and then I'm a catcher mayor on country and one intimation, also my catcher, also you see, you people must tolerate people. Yeah, wo krom ha president Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo oye press conference samavro no ka media fo what do you call one wa bonyu from celebrities one na we film do so we demonstration we t-shirt we ko worba obi an ha obiara in the name of COVID and I started there you intimidating for the moon constitution no boy nyina ye ho ban kwabno ma henkwan I want to say that we be being true. I've never to my far placard. One put in Puna demonstration. Constitutional boy, no my and and now, you can say, Wama, Waka could do Pempendu be there, baby Crania and Tumunka. Because he ain't you. Nothing there better TV dunia about Newa. Kwabna and cafes the country. Freedom fighters who can offer do trade video. On offer you can pony him problem. Yimpana we wunai krano kon bibia ni chinka yen wish do be bashre nkwa. But it appears they don't care. Bowo better so on business. Now the issue not that pono da ye kanyede. Nkrofo a woko protest no wabon na true. Yes, security go to market the kwana wo feed the wofado yard security fun wo bonwedo because onye dam kwampa na odo wofado. Bakwabna say obi protest Ghana ni na wafom mra na oyadza onyi do ye a yemba bofo no nti na etu hon kaw ye bo won ho kaw ma odo wo ye nyi de nka wo so dam krofo no mu na wode won ayere wode won amamra nyi won edi na obi tina ho a na so was serve as a deterrent to that madam yimpa. But what did we see? The videos and one kasa ho adaroma. One reporter maintain o say we take cover o shedan bido. Because they no popo no see say we do true okanyi pa biara otum de no call. And we have videos and pictures and we have security men say be aiming at the people on your rubber bullet. Now what to? I listened to the doctor yesterday. O say it true no fanyi pa no mo fa na echi. Oba na akuma. And he say it true no rim no e warning shots near the despair crowd na. How come they true oba fanyi pa no? Ye kan na won ma yen kan. How I want to end this matter in there, Kwabna. If you don't speak truth to power, the truth will confront you in power. In Nigeria, the people say water will find its own level. And yet, if you know, be to now on fire. At the end of the day, then if you guy need to withdraw or cheddar and then go ye no Fred or obey on your Nankotina neighbors you have no benefit. Okay. So long as politics is part of us, we should be tolerant enough. As American say, and when people do things, they feed them, the man so we should address them. So that the crowd and the people will know that indeed, as much as you have right, they be them have been or they do. But we don't take a position we in authority, no, and because we have the arms, because we have the force and everything, no. I didn't say and Crawford cry and tell me who the reason why you but what we do in there, able to spray one or two now asking. Okay, it won't take us anywhere.
From the police service, let's also take official responsibility about situation argument, you know. Protest at Ejura under investigation. One, the Ashanti Regional Police Command has commenced investigations to establish the circumstances surrounding the violent clashes between the youth and the security personnel, leading to the death of 2 and injury of 4, including a military lieutenant. Preliminary investigations shows that following the burial of Ibrahim Mohammed Kaka, is that the name? Kaka?
Yes.
Yeah. At Mempasem Cemetery at Ejura, today, 29th June 2021, some irate youths blocked the main Ejura-Atebubu road, impeding traffic. The police moved in with military reinforcement to quell the situation, while the irate youth charged on the security officers with all manner of implements, including firearms, clubs, machetes, and stones. The security officials fired shots to disperse the angry mob, who failed to retreat, but rather massed up at all corners. The death and injuries were recorded in the process. The security situation as at 3:30 p.m. is calm. However, security has been reinforced to ensure total stability. The regional command has also taken over investigations into the murder of Kaka and appeals to all who have credible information to share with the command at the Central Police Station, Kumasi, or call 0299 207770. The strictest confidentiality is assured. The command is appealing to all, especially the youth of Ejura, to remain calm and also calls on Nananom and opinion leaders to call for restraint to ensure peaceful environment. Godwin Ahienyo, Assistant Superintendent of Police, Public Relations Officer, Ashanti Region. Sam, is there any problem?
Man,
yeah.
You can't say Ubin Kasma and Kanshan. Me better Hano, me ridicule the death of the guy and no mutua uno. But the kind of Mabusan Yako, what I say. As some me can say, as some neba near the politics near the Becca, you say, as Mama instances are, me say, and Crawford accuse you of the MC. Me say, Mama instances are, and Crawford videos be now one time, also accuse you a branch and no woo, you know. Enya, so no na here. Me ka say, Prosi for no nye wa mu hwehwe mu na de asem ne da no ye fanto. Enya sa nam kan ya.
Okay, so
what did I say? You pese you tolerate obi. Na President Akufo-Addo can say when he was in opposition. When aso obi anu wo Ghana ha.
Ya malakra meti impediment.
When aso obi anu, when you lie about things I would wouldn't allow you to go. So run, I don't want me to speak. So you also not tolerant.
When also obi na.
Hey, imagine. Okay? Certain persons will come here. And not me here TV back could be. I don't want to mention the name. NDC activists. And someone who comes to a president. Mean to me and now so that you say Metrompo na makokan. TV program. No afraid callers. No more deep president as them. Woman in number now woman Timutu I say any bankwati didi. Obiachi omo. Obiabu omo. And also say, so we call demonstration. Now you go about Crawford Adan, Museno, Musen Crawford car. We yet sure say police and non security operatives. No, one more by high say side and encourse one now.
So some.
It is a I tell the body and can say, me and who say baby a battle, Emma Moa or mine. Do you think you are doing as
just a comment in our family commentary or something? Just a comment.
Oh my Sometimes why allegations be even some to the MP?
Said also can't some to the MC.
The sitting MP.
Oh,
the MC, you know, Anankasani interview on TV.
No, the MC.
When he says you know the guys are
the MC.
Oh, but I never sat here to say MC accomplice.
The MC was specific because see, Emrantia training na be involved.
He knows they come to party for anyone you do. So let me make my point. But nobody has mentioned here that whatever from house you have your topics. Oh, listen.
The right up is here.
Oh, please. Is that the?
It's a different.
Are we discussing the MP?
He said that the MC.
I'm saying that. Why allegations be against the MP?
He's the instigator.
Thank you. That the MP knew or instigating Crawford. Yet he has a problem about the people workers are often what has happened, alleging there. But sometimes, per your own logic, if you have a problem with those people talking, then why will you sit on national television and also say that you on authority there MP no instigate Obi?
What made the MP in interview now?
I'm responding to him, not the MP. Utopisi MP.
No, because
he has come here to tell me and you.
Not President Akufo-Addo.
Well, not so.
That's what I was actually by that.
You see, sometimes what the TV do? Also, MP no or instigator. MP no instigating Crawford. Nakasane party fu na wodi dem dwuma ya sebi
NDC party.
Oh, can you control?
No. No,
but you cannot say so because the suspect.
But what has happened amongst your party people? How
many times you
don't run away from that fact. There's an admission by the MC that these are party boys.
You see, the way Sampai and
No, but the admission by the MC that they are party boys doesn't make that we are liable for the offense.
The way you are behaving to get to a point,
don't let us make
we
the waters.
will be exerting force in the studio. Because what he's doing, you know, I mean, I don't get him. In this country, a lot of things I see under watch as a government. In that you can say, what I'm party on the phone. Because of an open report in Yama or Kodo.
Look at that. Look at that. You don't even know the facts.
Don't jump into that conclusion.
But where should I
Somebody has lost his life. There's no proof.
No proof, nothing.
As a result of that.
Then you sit there and talk. And that is why I mentioned the freedom fighters' name. The journalists who are
you are not. Listen, you don't know what is happening.
But there's absolutely no
Have you
proof.
Seen the.
No.
Maybe an investigation of police from that.
No. Please. Let's not do that.
Oman, you are supporting.
I'm not supporting.
No, tell me for a fact.
You're
saying it on authority.
That's as a result.
I'm saying that when the guy died, do you know what has happened at the police station? Guy, you will not go police station. Tell me what happened. You are being biased. I'm saying that. Assembly scene, the boy he didn't die straight away.
Yeah.
He went to police station, hospital.
Yeah.
The issue went to police station. What was the outcome of the
letter
police?
that was written.
Listen, I'm saying what was the outcome.
No, which outcome are you talking about? There's a warning letter out. Which outcome are you coming out?
I am asking you about the arrest. You are asking me which outcome. Are you here?
What arrest?
Are you here with me in the
arrest
studio?
Now,
The
are
guys
you
that they
the warning letter
listen
that was
there.
issued?
I'm saying
which
that.
One is which?
And please listen to me and understand.
Yes.
I'm saying to you that guy now called the hospital.
Yeah.
When he was attacked,
Which of the guys?
The guy who died at Woko C and all in Semi Bay.
Yeah.
Guy no need should be Woko police station.
Yeah.
Police investigation in Cordon. Are you aware? As to what happened? A bit some the letter. That letter. What was in the letter? What is Haba? What
the guy
was in the letter?
He was taken straight to the
If
hospital.
you people continue to do this country, you know the matter. When we are speaking to the matter, we say no, don't talk about it because it's your platform. And the guy is sitting here saying all sorts of things, you don't tell him.
It is not true.
You people are not helping this country, and I mean you people, the media.
That the guy died as a result of the Fix-It campaign.
Of course,
it's not true.
It is not true.
Why is that? He didn't say it. Even now that you are telling him it's not true.
Speak.
Is it not that you are telling him it's not true? You people, look, Mr. If you don't speak to you have the platform. When we come, speak to the truth. If we don't speak to the truth, oh God, what is going to happen?
Why are for some of
no, hold on.
I'm for you, Sam, you are just talking because you have decided that as who party you know it's their politics. You don't care about the life of your party person. All you want to do is politics. Now you two you will die if you don't know. You will die. So if who party you will not because of politics, political point. I hope who there I do madam our ban. You won't talk about
when
it.
the person
you die.
Proof
I'm
that
telling you.
He died because of Fix-It.
Missy, you two
and
you
you
die.
sitting here
I'm saying you two you die.
Because that's why because he died.
You two you die.
Stop that. Stop that.
You also die.
Stop that.
So let me.
How about you?
Missy, you two you die.
I'm
saying you two you die.
Oh, stop that.
You two you die.
No, it's okay. It's okay. I think that.
No, but it's too bad.
No, hold on.
Missy, him two you die. Exactly.
That's how
it will be
no.
But how about come here? Me buy na mabetu champagne.
Ebe di fufu a.
Fufu na ebe di.
Banchina brodi.
Cheap talk.
Ina jefua. Ina kobi. Onu na ebe di wa.
We are talking about one issue. So we are looking at this.
What are you talking about?
The person died because of
champagne. And now bro, champagne in Tante. The better one said don't go there. Don't go there.